The goal of this project was to create a 3D printed car model kit where the car is powered using a rubber band. I started with several sketches of the model on paper. Then, I used Blender, which is an open source 3D modeling and animation software, to convert my sketches into this complete model of the car. Here, you see an exploded view that shows all of its components. I laid out the components on a 2D grid and connected them with thin strands to create this kit, which is now ready to be printed. Here's the kit being printed on a Makerbot Replicator. The final kit is a single piece, and the user first breaks away all of the components of the car. Now, you see me building the car, step by step. The last stage involves assembling the rubber band-powered actuation mechanism. That's it. The car is good to go.